There has been a lot of talk about the Samsung Galaxy S25, which is expected to come out in January 2025. A new rumor suggests that the Ultra model, the most expensive in the lineup, will get a big camera improvement. This information comes from the well-known leaker Ice Universe on the Chinese social media site Weibo, as reported by Android Authority. The tipster says that the Ultra model will have 4 cameras on the back. These cameras are said to include a 200-megapixel main camera, a 50-megapixel super telephoto camera with 5x optical zoom, a secondary 50-megapixel telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom, and a 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera. The last 2 cameras are the ones getting upgraded in 2025. They're going from a 10-megapixel telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera to 50-megapixel versions. That's a significant increase in megapixels. It's difficult to predict exactly how these hardware upgrades will improve photo and video quality, but we can expect enhancements in several areas. We'll need to wait for Samsung's official announcement to get the complete details. Earlier rumors about the Galaxy S25 Ultra suggested it might switch to a triple-lens rear camera. However, it now looks like it will keep the quad-lens setup. This would help set it apart from the Galaxy S25 and Galaxy S25 Plus. We've also heard rumors about some of the key specs that might come with the Galaxy S25 series, including the Ultra model. Not surprisingly, these phones are expected to feature significant AI upgrades as well. Tipster Digital Chat Station reports that the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4, model number SEM8750, will cause a significant increase in smartphone prices. This is because the new chip will be much more expensive than previous versions, including the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. Since the display and the chipset are already the most expensive parts of a smartphone, a price hike in the chipset could make it more challenging for smartphone brands to manage costs. So OEMs can choose to do one of these 3 things: pass on the price hike to consumers with higher smartphone prices, use a cheaper chipset or last year's chip, cut the manufacturing cost using cheaper components, display, camera, or battery. However, the price increase for the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 is expected to be so substantial that cutting costs on other components might not be enough to offset the higher price of the chipset. I hope you liked the video. If you enjoyed the video, subscribing to the channel would be greatly appreciated. That's it for today. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comment section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.